Baby, all of my property, I give you authority. I give you authority.
I'm fine.
Any person of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Can you give a woman all your property?
Wait, which property? Say na the better pass my neighbor generator where they use. I be okay, Captain, okay, we get property 2.5. Why don't they save inside Colo since last year January?
What if Otedola's daughter wants you to give her all your property?
I don't think. You say what?
Otedola's daughter asks you to give her all your property.
Otedola.
Yes, sir.
CJ copy. Check kidney na property. Kidney. I go give her the 3 kidney where I get. No share. Even I go add 1 heart join. Make she carry and go. Even my house where they for heaven, where Baba God they keep for me. I go sell and give her. Because when you both say what a property over there is a common entrance current affair. Thank you.